Welcome to Leaseweb Tech Demo. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of managing your web hosting pack and the functionalities available on the Leaseweb Customer Portal. First, log into the Customer Portal and go to the hosting page to view your web hosting packages. Here you can see all your web hosting packages and their linked domains. If you open one of the domains with a web hosting package, you can see the main details, such as the linked domain name, start and end dates, contract terms, price per month, pack size, and type, so either Linux or Windows. From here you can manage your web hosting packages by clicking on Manage Web Hosting on the right-hand side. On the Pack Details tab, you will find further information about the web hosting platform, like some information about the usage of the allowed characteristics, IP addresses, monitoring statuses, and the URL of where the platform is hosted. You can also log into the Plesk portal directly from here with the Auto Login button. We will show you the Plesk portal functionalities in a separate video. There is also some basic monitoring that can be enabled to see whether your website is active or down and to set up technical contacts. On the Users tab, you can manage users like Plesk and FTP user credentials. You can view and copy the credentials from here or reset them. On the Certificates tab, you can request the free Let's Encrypt certificate that is included in all our web hosting packages, and you can also upload custom certificates. Leaseweb offers a range of SSL certificates that can be ordered and added to your web hosting packs. On the PHP tab, you can select the required PHP versions and view the extensions and PHP settings that are enabled. On the Applications tab, you can install applications like WordPress or Joomla and start to configure it from the Leaseweb Customer Portal already without having to log into the Plesk portal. This demo shows how easy and user-friendly our customer portal is for web hosting management. In the next videos, we will show you how to configure your website on the Plesk portal, as well as managing your mailboxes on the Leaseweb Customer Portal. Thank you, and we will see you in the next videos.